Hello guys, welcome to the stream. Today we are going to talk about HDFC Bank and what's happening with the bank. Just for a note, this is not any buy or sell push from my end, just for an informative purpose. Understand the video, have fun in it, and do your investment. Let's start into the video. So the first point here, as we notice in HDFC Bank is like what is the reason behind HDFC Bank continuously falling from like last 2 3 days it's fallen at 10%. So you could be having wondering what could be the reasons. Like many people say many reasons are there, so let's go through one by one. I have 5 points, let's go through that. The first one is HDFC Bank and HDFC merger. So was that the reason behind this market fall? If you know this, this news has come very long back, and this has happened, and market have absorbed this, and correction for that has even happened. So this is not something new for the market. So this news was not even anything, but still HDFC fell. So the next point that comes in mind, what could be the thing? Like the HDFC Bank disclaimer that it is going to open 1,500 branches this year, but was able to open 900 branches. Was this the issue? Like if we see most of the other banks, right, has only 900 branch overall, but when it comes to HDFC, it has almost 1,500. Like they aim for 1,500, but they were able to open 900 this year. So that means like it's a massive move. A bank which is opening 900 branches a year, it's like it is growing even after that HDFC merger and all, right? So HDFC and FCHD banks merger, they got even more number of banks. Like if they were having in a singular complex to HDFC Bank and HDFC Bank, like two of the banks are there, they could go for one bank. The money saving is has been increased, due to which like the construction place they have bought that could be reduced, because of which, and even the client count would have been increased. Like there are a lot of positive things about this. So that HDFC merger thing is not the issue. Even the 900 branch opening, yeah, they have aimed for 1,500, but they came close to 900. That's even good news, to be frank. It's just to see how the perspective is. It's better to see off glass is filled than seeing off glass is empty. They have gone more than off actually. They have crossed 50%. So, and what could be the reason why HDFC is not moving up? If you see the balance sheet, right, from last 3 years, if you have bought it here like in 1,500 ish, it's still maintaining it at 1,500. Yeah, 1,400 to 1,500 range is what it is moving on from last 3 years. The volatility in the stock market we see, and still HDFC is not moving a bit. This could be an interesting thing. Will Most of them might be thinking, will HDFC will become next ITC stock? Like ITC did not move for almost 10 years. Uh, the thing is, you have to remember this HDFC is a very big bank. So if you see the market cap, right, you can understand it's almost like 11 crores, 16,589 crores bank. So moving it up might be a difficult thing, but it's very simple. If you are a long term investor, you are planning for 3 to 5 years tenure, right? It's a good to go venture. Like it's an easy, if you see, there is an easy upward from 1,500 to 1,800, almost like 200 300 rupees up you can see in a short term, like 6 7 months, maybe in a year you will get this. So as well as if you see the PE ratio of this company, it's almost, it's in 16. I think it's all time low. Let's see for last 10 years. Yeah, it's less than like, even in COVID time, I guess it went to 18.8, and after that, one more dip. I think after the second wave dip, it was almost 17.8. Now, if you see, it's almost 16. So let's see that 2008 crash. Was it still low? No. Even that Lehman Bank crisis, right? Even there, if you see the P ratio of HDFC Bank is high. So if you see from valuation point, HDFC Bank's P has fallen way low. It's a good entry time if you are new to market. It's good point to enter. So accumulation is good. Once again, I am telling it's not a stock buying push or sell. So do this, take these points. These are just points for you to make your judgment clearer. It's like giving you some hints. Like, and the thing is, it's good to enter here, but even few percentage market fall can be still expected in HDFC. Like, it's not moving. So if you, let's see the market, the investors. If you see the investors in HDFC, the promoters are not there. Like, its promoter holding has become like zero. So there are no promoters in the HDFC Bank. So the FIS and DIS have almost like 50 to 50 plus 30, like 80% is kept by them. So the issue here is like, how long will the FIS will wait for a bank they have invested for 3 4 years? So they're just picking out few percentages of money to invest in some other companies. They might be doing it in loss, but just think of it that they want to move that money out of it. Uh, I would say it might be for few months and all. They might take out the money, and again the rally will come up. See, this year there is an election, and to in election years usually market goes up. That's what we see always. So if we see that HDFC is a main part of Nifty 50, so it's like a class topper is not performing well in the exams. So in the exam is coming up and they need to have a good result, means he has to do well. And also the weightage of HDFC, you guys know, in bank nifty is way high. So even there also, if bank nifty is not moving, also nifty will get affected. Therefore, most of the, like, I can bet almost 90% that HDFC should move the markets up. And all you know that this is what will happen. And one more thing, everybody is thinking that interest rate is getting cut, because of which the profit margin of HDFC will be shrinking now. Yeah, the operating margin might shrink up like maybe 1 or 2%, but still HDFC is a very big bank. And if you observe that, right, nobody is taking money out of HDFC Bank. There, if the most panic situation will come when people start removing their FDs from the bank, and they're not opening the accounts. If you see, HDFC is opening 900 accounts. To be frank, every day HDFC people will call everyone asking for the loan. So they are doing their business very well. They are approaching clients. So like their recovery rate is good because they give more of home loans. So the default rate is, the people defaulting the loans are very uh, less. So there are a lot of positive in HDFC. And let's see if the results are bad. That is that the reason why people are leaving. So let's see the results. Balance sheet. Okay, if you see the result, right, from March 2012 to 23 March, it's just moving up from 400 crores it was. Uh, if you see, it is just growing up their equity capital. It's just going on like it's getting doubled almost every 3 4 years. If you see in 2018, it was around 100 crores in the reserves. Now it has become almost 300 crores. It's tripled, to be frank. And let's see the profits. Okay, let's see the revenue first. So the revenue, if you see, it used to make like 28,000 ish. Now it is like 250,000. Well, from last quarter, if you see, it has gone like almost 40 50% up. From like in 22 to 23, it has gone like 40%. Again, let's see from 3 years, like 2020, what was like 122, like 50. Even here, it has gone by 50%. If you see 23 to 2003, from 10 years, it has gone in 10x, almost 5x. Yeah, 5 to 8x, it has multiplied. If you see the revenue, their revenue is going up. And you might say only the revenue is going up. What about the profit? Even if you see the net profit, right? Net profit, It used to be 5,000 each, now it grown to 6, 8, 10, 12, 15. If you see, there is a consecutive growth, and it is in all-time profit of 46,000. So yeah, even that has grown in last 3 years. Like 22,000 company has gone to 46. It's more than double. So the thing is, HDFC ideally should have been like doubled in this price now, because that's how theoretically market should have moved. But this is a very big bank, so it might take some time to move, but the end goal is that it will surely move. HDFC has to move. Some of the the important part here is that we retailers cannot move a bank. Only FIS, DIS can move, and they already have big stakes in this. So the people who can move it from now on, it's the operators. Operators are not focusing on HDFC for now. Once they enter and they want to buy it at very low price, that's one thing. They might create some news by which people will start selling off and the price comes to a lower point, then that's when they enter. So this could be a better chance to enter. So if you are entering to markets, try to enter like every 5 to 10% drop. Like if you have X amount of money, just take 25% of it and start buying on dips, like divided into 4 5 times, like every 5% dip buy 25%, another 5% dip, again buy 25% from your capital. Like that, try to, like if you have X amount to buy HDFC, try to buy in all these dips. Then a good stock like HDFC, like blue chip company at a very good valuation at discounted price, you will be having in your portfolio. These stocks could be for lifetime, that kind of stock these are. So it's good to have these kind of stocks at this time. This is the, I feel this is the only stock right now in this market going up, the in this bull run you can getting at proper valuation with proper fundamental. Everything is good in this company. The only reason is it's not in the limelight for the time being. Once it comes back, even HDFC can easily reach up to 3,000 rupees. I feel that HDFC can be at 3,000 ish company. So just think about it, and if you like this video, like, subscribe and follow it, share it to your friend and follow the channel. And if you have any interested in any subjects, please mention in the comment. I will be trying to do videos on that. And thank you for watching.